Mumbai is a large city in India. It is one of the biggest cities in the country. Many people live in Mumbai. It is very busy and full of life and activity every day. In Mumbai, people work in many places. There are tall buildings, shops, and markets. There are also many cars, buses, and bikes on the roads. It is very crowded. Mumbai is next to the Arabian Sea. This means some parts of the city have a nice view of the water. People like to visit the beaches to relax and enjoy the sea. Mumbai is famous for its movie industry. This industry is called Bollywood. People make many movies in Bollywood. These movies are loved by people around the world. Many people know Mumbai because of Bollywood. They also know it because of its bright lights and busy roads. Mumbai is a city with many exciting things to see. In Mumbai, there is a special house called Antilia. Antilia is the most expensive house in the world. It is very tall and has many rooms. It is a very unique place. Antilia is in the middle of Mumbai. This house belongs to a rich man named Mukesh Ambani. He is a very famous businessman in India. Many people know about Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani owns a big company called Reliance Industries. This company works in many areas like making oil, gas, and mobile services. It is a very successful business. Mukesh Ambani wanted a special house for his family, so he built Antilia in Mumbai. Now Antilia is not just a home, but also a sign of his success and hard work. Mukesh Ambani is a very rich man in India. He has many businesses and is very successful. He wanted a big special house for his family to live in comfortably. Mukesh Ambani wanted a house that was different from other houses. He wanted a house that showed his success and hard work. This is why he built Antilia. Antilia is not just a house. It is a symbol of Mukesh Ambani's success. It is also a safe and comfortable place where his family can live happily and peacefully. Antilia is very tall. Most houses have only 1 or 2 floors, but Antilia has 27 floors. Each floor has its own purpose. Each part of the house is designed in a special way. There are big rooms where family and friends can gather. Some floors are made for relaxing. Other floors have places for the family to enjoy fun activities together. Each floor in Antilia is different. Mukesh Ambani wanted each room to look beautiful and feel special. He wanted each part of the house to be unique for his family. Mukesh Ambani's family enjoys their time in Antilia. The house has everything they need to feel happy and safe. It is a place they can call home in the big city of Mumbai. Antilia is very special because it was built with love and care. Mukesh Ambani thought of every detail to make sure his family would have the best home possible. The Ambani family also wanted a house that could keep them safe. Antilia is built with strong materials to protect them from storms and other dangers. Antilia has many special rooms. Some floors have big living rooms. These rooms are for family and friends to meet, talk, and spend time together. They are comfortable. There is also a theater in Antilia. This theater is like a small movie cinema. The family can sit in soft seats and watch movies on a big screen, just like a real cinema. The theater is special because the family does not need to go out to see movies. They can enjoy watching movies at home with friends and family in their own theater. Antilia also has a gym. A gym is a place to exercise. In the gym, there are machines for lifting weights and staying fit. The family can exercise without leaving home. The gym is great for health. It helps the family stay active. They can work out anytime they want, using the gym's machines and equipment to keep their bodies strong. There is also a large swimming pool in Antilia. This pool is a place where the family can swim and relax. Swimming is fun and also a good exercise for health. The pool is very big and beautiful. The family can enjoy the water whenever they like. The pool area is also decorated nicely, making it a relaxing place for everyone. Antilia has many beautiful rooms. These rooms are decorated with high-quality things, like soft carpets, large sofas, and bright lights. Everything looks very elegant. Antilia's floors are made from marble. Marble is a strong and beautiful stone that makes rooms look rich and shiny. The floors are smooth and feel cool underfoot. The design of Antillia is very unique. Most houses look simple, but Antillia looks different. Each floor has a special design, and every part looks creative and artistic. Each floor of Antillia has its own shape. Some floors have square rooms, while others have round or other shapes. This makes Antillia look interesting and beautiful. Many people think Antillia looks like art. It has tall glass windows and bright lights, making it shine at night. Antillia looks amazing and stands out in the city. Antillia is decorated with very expensive materials. Some parts of the house have crystal decorations. Crystal is shiny and makes rooms look bright and rich. The floors are also made of marble, a stone that is beautiful and strong. Marble floors feel cool, and their color adds a rich look to each room in the house. High-quality materials make Antillia look special. They give each room an elegant and grand feeling. Everything in the house looks expensive and beautiful. The style of Antillia is also different from normal houses. Each part was designed to look nice and special. The house shows Mukesh Ambani's love for fine design. Antillia is not just a home, it is also a symbol of Ambani's success. The creative design makes it one of the most famous and talked about houses in the world. People from around the world admire Antillia. They are curious to see pictures of this house because it looks so unique and beautiful, like no other house. Antillia is the most expensive house in the world. It cost around $2 billion to build. This is much more than the cost of a normal house. The price of Antillia is very high. It is so expensive because of its size, unique design, and high-quality materials. Each part of the house cost a lot to make. To understand the cost of Antillia, think of other luxury items. For example, Antillia costs more than 1,000 luxury cars or thousands of regular houses. The materials used to build Antillia are very costly. The marble and crystal decorations add a lot to the price. These items make the house look rich, but also increase its cost. There are also many special rooms in Antillia, like the theater, gym, and swimming pool. These rooms make the house very special, but also add to the cost. Antillia is also built with technology to keep it safe during storms. This advanced technology is costly, but keeps the family safe in their home. Antillia's high cost is known around the world. Many people are amazed by how much it costs to build. They are curious to know why a house can be so expensive. People say Antillia is a sign of Mukesh Ambani's great success. Its high price and special design make it famous around the world as a unique home. The price of Antillia is so high that it makes headlines in news around the world. People everywhere are surprised by this expensive and famous house in Mumbai. Antillia is a very big house, and it needs many people to take care of it. More than 600 people work there every day. They help keep the house clean and organized. Some people work as cleaners. These workers clean the many floors, rooms, and windows. Since Antillia has 27 floors, cleaning takes a lot of time and hard work. Other people work as cooks. They make meals for the family like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes they cook special dishes for family events or parties. There are also security guards in Antillia. The guards protect the house and the family. They make sure only safe people enter the house and check all visitors. Security is very important in a big house like Antillia. The guards are there all day and night, watching the doors and keeping the family safe at all times. Some workers help take care of the beautiful decorations in the house. They make sure that everything looks nice, clean, and well arranged for the family. All these workers are very important to the Ambani family. They help keep Antillia running smoothly. With their help, the family can enjoy a clean and safe home. Each person in Antillia has a job to do. Together, they make sure everything works well. They help Antillia stay beautiful, comfortable, and safe for the family. The workers make the Ambani family's life easier. Because of them, the family can live happily in their large special house without worrying about daily tasks. Antillia is famous around the world for many reasons. First, it is the most expensive house ever built. People are amazed by its high price and luxury. Many people know about Antillia because of its unique design. The house has 27 floors, each with a different style, and it looks beautiful and interesting. Antillia is also famous because it belongs to Mukesh Ambani, one of the richest men in the world. Many people are curious about his life in his special house. People from many countries like to read about Antillia. They want to know more about its rooms, decorations, and special features like the theater and swimming pool. Antillia has many things that make it exciting and different from other homes. It has a cinema, a gym, a large pool, and many big rooms for friends and family. All these unique features make Antillia very famous. People are surprised to learn about this large, tall house in the busy city of Mumbai, India. Antillia is a symbol of wealth and success. It is known worldwide because it is not like a regular house. Its size, design, and luxury make it one of a kind. People continue to talk about Antillia. Many want to see pictures of it, read stories, and learn how it was made. Antillia remains a popular topic of interest. The fame of Antillia is strong. It is a home that amazes people everywhere. Antillia will be remembered as a unique and incredible house for many years to come.